look at the common names. So we're going to see the common names in case of the drugs of abuse. Drugs of abuse. So what are the common names of the drugs of abuse? So first, we will look at the cocaine. So cocaine, it is commonly can also be known as a white lady. Since it's white in color, it can be known as the white lady. It can also be known as coke in short, or blow, or snow. Next, we are going to see the cannabis. So cannabis, it can be commonly known as, it is known as weed, known as pot, reefer, or ganja. It can also be known as a Mary Jane, hash, as well as a Indian hemp. Next, we will look at the heroin. So what is this heroin and common names? So in terms of heroin, it is commonly known as smack. Smack, it is known as dope, brown sugar. Brown sugar is commonly used, brown sugar. As well as it can be known as a snowball. Snow is for cocaine, whereas snowball is for heroin. Next, we have ketamine. Ketamine is a very important drug. Many questions come from ketamine. So ketamine, it is especially known as, everywhere it will be K. So it can be vitamin K, it can be special K, or it can be super K. Then we look at LSD. LSD is commonly known as acid. Then when we look at the methamphetamine. So methamphetamine. So under methamphetamine, it is commonly known as, it can be called as ice, called as meth, as well as it can be called as a crystal. So it can be ice, it can be meth, it can be crystal. Next, we will look at the MDMA. So what is the MDMA? So MDMA is, in short, it is known as the ecstasy. Then comes the phencyclidine. So what is the phencyclidine? Phencyclidine is nothing but it is an angel dust. So along with this, we will also look at some important notes. That is, some forms of cannabis. So when we look at a bhang, so what is bhang? Bhang is nothing but a decoction. Is a decoction prepared from the dried leaves. So it is from the dried leaves, as well as it is from a fruit shoot. So the dried leaves as well as a fruit shoot. Next, we look at the majoon. So what is majoon? Majoon is a sweet prepared from bhang. It is a sweet and is prepared from bhang. Then we will look at the ganja. So where is ganja prepared from? So ganja is prepared from the flower tops. So it is from the flower tops, and this is from the female plant. It is from the female plant, and then it is smoked. Then come the hashish or charas. Hashish or the charas. So hashish or charas is the more potent. It is the most potent. Next is, it is resin exudate from the leaves. From the resin exudates. Resin exudates, and this is from the leaves. And the stem is, and stem that smoked, and stem that smoked. So this was about the common names given to the drugs of abuse, and we've also seen how the forms of cannabis and where are they derived from. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.